Hello everyone, welcome to Jet SOFTECH, and in this session we are going to discuss about the concept of SAP ABAP platform fundamentals for the year 2025-26. Now we're going to discuss about the introduction to SAP technology, exploring ABAP platform, working with SAP systems and the user interfaces, describing SAP integration and communication technologies, using clients in SAP system based on ABAP platform, exploring the ABAP system landscape and transport requests, exploring SAP maintenance and the SAP release strategy. Now, these are the topics that we have for this entire course, and if you are interested to learn this course, you can contact us on our email ID or the details given in the description, or you can comment back in this video as well. Okay, so now let's get started with the introduction to SAP technology. Now, in the SAP technology, we are going to discuss about the SAP software offerings, then provide an overview of the SAP S/4HANA and SAP's three-tier client server architecture and supported platforms. And the next concept that we have is about the exploring the ABAP platform. We're going to discuss about the defining the application layer, defining the ABAP platform landscape, exploring the ABAP application processing, and then we will go with the working with the SAP system and user interfaces. This is where our hands-on sessions start, wherein I will be doing everything on the system, and then you can also practice on the system and you get the real-time kind of a feel. So we'll explore the front-end technologies, introducing the SAP GUI, introducing the SAP business client, and the SAP Fiori. Then we're going to discuss about the describing the SAP integration and communication technologies. We're going to discuss about the cross-system business process and SAP remote function calls, exploring the concepts of web services and SAP ICF, what exactly are there and how it works, and discussing the SAP gateway and OData services, of course, with hands-on sessions as well. Now, the next chapter would be the using the clients in SAP systems based on a BAP platform. So we've got the introducing the concepts of clients, outlining the different client roles. These are the things that we are going to discuss. Then we have the exploring the SAP ABAP system landscape and transport requests. We explore the data structure of SAP system based on ABAP platform, comparing landscape options, introducing transport requests and the transport processes. Then we're going to discuss about the concept of exploring SAP maintenance and SAP strategy, introducing the SAP application lifecycle, discussing the SAP maintenance and maintenance strategy, introducing the SAP maintenance planning, SAP productivity availability, and then SAP support portal node database. So these are the concepts that are scheduled for this training, and if you're interested, you can just contact us. And this is the course that is suggested by SAP, and we're going to do that. But the most of this part, the 80% of this entire training would be hands-on. So that would be actually the most interesting part for this. Okay, thank you all and see you in the session.